ready to go to Sapporo.
We're starting early, catching the 5 a.m. train to Haneda Airport. Because who doesn't love a pre-sunshine adventure, right? Rolling into Haneda is like the airport knew we were coming. Straight through security, feeling good, except that we still need to pass through security. Then there is this robot telling us what can go in our bags, because apparently AI is taking everybody's job. Boarding the plane is finally hitting us. Sapporo, here we come. Get ready for snow, lots of it. Landing in Sapporo, we are on a train heading to our hotel. We're all about that minimal luggage life. If it doesn't fit in a backpack, it's staying behind.
We arrived to Sapporo and now we are hungry like two bears that haven't eaten anything since yesterday. So we are on our quest to find food.
Found this cozy spot, Café Fog. When our stomachs were starting to protest, it was like walking into a warm hug. Great food, great host, couldn't ask for a better welcome to Sapporo. The food was excellent. Salmon toast that is out of this world. Pasta that will make you forget you are in Japan, and the coffee that deserves its own shrine. Next, we are up to Maruyama Park. Did you know this place turns into a snow globe come winter? It's the spot for locals and tourists looking to catch a bit of nature in the city. It's a magical as it sounds. Makes you want to build a snowman or something. And speaking of, we found this cute snow teddy bear and snowman, only in Sapporo, where the snow sculptures might just wave you back. Now we are heading to Hokkaido Jingu, and it's like walking into a winter wonderland. This shrine is a big deal here, dedicated to the pioneering spirit of Hokkaido settlers. Surrounded by ancient trees and that pristine snow, you feel like you have walked into a living history book. Plus, it's a hotspot for seeing Sapporo in its natural winter finery. Every step in the snow felt like a mini adventure. With the shrine history echoing around us, it was like we were part of the landscape. Hokkaido's got a way of doing that to you. Leaving the shrine, the snow-covered path was like our own private winter runaway. If you ever want to feel like you are in a snow fairy tale, this is the place. And honestly, nothing tops that feeling of crisp, fresh snow underfoot. It's the kind of peace you don't know you need until you find it. We worked up an appetite, so we headed to this place for Hokkaido curry, called Okushiba Shoten. Remember that name. It's like a hug in a bowl. Spicy, warm, and just what you need in the middle of a Sapporo winter. Absolute perfection.
So looking at these images, you may be surprised to learn that Hokkaido is the second snowiest city in the world, with an annual snowfall of 600 centimeters.
Oh, we almost failed there. Look at this.
Our first day in Sapporo was a success. If you are looking for an amazing winter destination, Sapporo should be at the top of your list.